Today we are going to discuss relations and functions. This is very important chapter regarding board classes and 11th class also, but also it is very important in real life. How can we know that it is very important in real life? Because when we are saying about two relations, then there is a relations, and two person, when we are going to meet any person, then we have to relate that person. So it is very important, and we have to use relation. So how can we say that relation is very important part? Because without relation there is nothing, because human is the we are the human bodies, and when we are saying about the human, we can say that we have to relate with other also. So let's see, we are going to discuss in previous video we discussed some examples of relations. In this video we are going to also some relations. So question is this example, if A equal 6 8 it is given, and B equal 9 10 and B equal 9 10, B equal 9 10, then find number of relations from, then find number of relations from A to B, then find number of relations from A to B. Okay students, so how can we solve this question? Let's see. If A equal 6 and 8 is given, it means NA number of elements are 2. What about here? B equal 9 and 10, so we can say that NB means number of elements are 2. So what is the number of relations? Number of relations I given you already formula, that is 2mn to the power mn, so we can say that to the power 2 into 2, so we can say that to the power 4, so it means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, so we can say it is 16. So prove that inverse of any inverse, prove that inverse of any, prove that inverse of any inverse relation is given original relation. It means if R is any relation, then if R is any relation, then R inverse to the inverse equal R. Students, we have to prove that R inverse to the inverse equal R. Let's see. We are going to solve. So this is very important question and very conceptual question, students. We know that A inverse is always A. So we can say that if there is R, then R inverse equal R. So it is very simple thing. But we are going to solve this. Let B R be any relation from A to B. Let R be any relation from A to B, then R is the subset of A cross B, then R is the subset of A cross B. It means R equal x comma y such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. But when we are saying about the R inverse, we can say that y comma x such that y belongs to A. We can say that just opposite it. So we can say y belongs to B, and x belongs to A. Just do the opposite. Again we are going to inverse of this, so we can say that R inverse is x comma y. Just do the opposite of this. It is x belongs to A and y belongs to B. So by this way we can say that this is the same. So we can say, so R equal R inverse to the B inverse. So we can say that it is proved. Okay, you can prove it by taking any question regarding it. let R equal other equation. We are just going to solve by other thing. Suppose 1a, 2b, 3c is the R. If it is R, then what is the R inverse? We are always know that it is A1, B2 and C3. It is clear. Now we are going to again find R inverse. So it is 1A, 2B and just do opposite again 3C. So it is same. So we can say that R inverse to the inverse equal R. Okay students, we are going to take next example, example number 4. If A equal 1, 2, 3, 4, A equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is also, and relation R is defined in A, and relation R is defined in A. R is defined in A to A such that R equal x comma y, x is greater than 2 and y is equal 3. Then find domain and range of relation. Then find the domain and range. So student, this is the question, and how can we find? Firstly, we have to find the relations. What are the relations? X is greater than 2 and y is 3. So we can say that when we are going to find R, so we can say that x is greater than 2 means greater than 2 R, greater than 2 R 2. Okay, so greater than 2 R 2. So what is the R? And y is equal to 3. So y is always 3 and it is greater than 2. So it is greater than 2 and it is 3. So how can we say, when we are saying about this, so understand it is very clear that x is always greater than 2 and y is 3. Means suppose is greater than, it is 3 and it is 3, because there are no changes in y. What about here? Greater than 2, it is 4, then it is 3, because no changes in 3. It is 5 and it is 3, because there is no changes in R. So now question arises, what is the domain? So what are the domain? When we are saying about domain, we can say what are domain? When relation is defined, then first elements are domain. So what is the domain? We can say the domain is 3, 4, 5. And what about the range? Range is the backside elements, means it is 3. So students, this is the 3, 4, 5 and this is 3. It is answer. Okay, so it is clear now. Relation R is defined in set A equal 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. It is given, and B equal 2, 7, 8, 10. B equal 2, 7, 8, 10. Such that R equal x comma y, x and y are co-prime. X and y are co-prime of x and y. Co-prime of x, co-primes x belongs to A and y belongs to B. It is given. Then write the relation R. Then write the relation R in ordered pair. In ordered pair, its domain and range, and its domain and range. its domain and range also. So how can we find these things? Let's see. When we are saying about the A, so we can say that A equal 3, 4, 5, 6. A equal 3, 4, 5, 6 is given. When we are saying about the B, so we can say that it is 2, 7, 8, 10. It is also given. When we are saying about the co-prime, so we can say that 3, 2. What about the R? R is a x, y, where x and y are co-prime. So when we are saying about the co-prime, we can say that it is 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 7, 3, 8, 3, 8, 3, 10, 3, 10, 4, 7, 5, 2, 5, 2, and 5, 7, and 5, 8, and it is 6, 8, it is 6, 7. Okay, 5, 8, and it is 6, 7. So these are the co-primes. 3, 2, 3, 7, 3, 8, 3, 10, and 4, 7, 4, 7, 5, 2, and 5, 7, and 5, 8, and 6, 7. Now, what is the domain? Domain are first element of it. So we can say that it is 3, 4, 5, 6. What about the range? Range is back side of elements. It is a 2, 2, 2, 7, 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8, 10. These are the values 2, 7, 8, 10. These are the range. Okay, students. So it is clear now. This is example number 5. Now we are going to solve.